This dose juice is not just for sipping. I am using it as a salad dressing. I am making a fresh quinoa salad with cooked quinoa and seasonal veggies. For the dressing, I mix dose juice with a little soya sauce, sesame oil, a pinch of sugar and just a touch of salt. Light, balanced and full of flavor. To add crunch, I finish it with dry roasted pumpkin seeds and peanuts. No protein, no heavy sauces, just green ingredients coming together beautifully. Mix it up and this quinoa salad is ready in minutes.